Climate change has emerged as a major threat in India. Almost one-third of the country is either drought-prone or arid. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is the world's largest public works-based social protection program. This scheme provides the opportunity to enhance climate resilience of rural poor through a rights-based approach that guarantees 100 days of wage employment to every household and creation of NRM assets. This scheme also has the provision of 50 additional days of employment during drought. Inclusion of climate information in planning and implementation can increase climate risk management potential of the scheme. But lack of understanding and access to climate information posed a challenge. To support climate risk-informed MGNREGS implementation, Climate Resilience Information System and Planning Tool for MGNREGS CRISP-M has been developed. It's a web and mobile phone-based GIS-aided tool that facilitates integration of climate risk information in planning, implementation, and monitoring of the scheme. It is an amalgamation of bottom-up and top-down approach to collate all relevant information and make it available in a simplified format for usage by the community. CRISP-M has three key components. Drought Early Warning System provides real-time information on drought parameters and impact indicators and analyzes these to monitor and assess drought-like situations. In case of drought prediction, an automatic SMS alert is sent to Mahatma Gandhi NREGS functionaries and community. GIS-assisted asset planning tool integrates GIS information with historical and projected climate data and generates a plan of possible climate resilience strategies, types, and design of assets. The community then modifies the plan based on their local, traditional knowledge and experiences. Community-based planning and monitoring allows remote sensing-based monitoring and crowdsourcing data on MGNREGS asset and beneficiaries.
जैसे मान लो फसल रहती है, अगर ज़्यादा पानी होता, ये एप्लीकेशन के माध्यम से हमको पता चल सकता है कि खराब होगी या नहीं।
पहले बारिश होता था तभी कार्य की योजना बनाते थे, अभी तो पूरा ऑनलाइन हो गया है। तो अभी जो नए नए योजना है मनरेगा में, जैसे बोल्डर चेक डैम है, और इससे किसानों को फायदा हो रहा है सिंचाई के लिए।
The pilot conducted in Badwani produced a number of positive results. Feedback from the pilot has been used to further refine the tool, which will be deployed in 2 districts in the next phase of development and then across 7 states in the rollout phase.